If you are planning to sit for the PMP certification exam, or if you have a PMP certification already, you must be aware of what PDU is, and you are curious about one question: how can I earn free PDUs? Since you landed on this video, you should be looking for free PMP PDU resources. However, do you know that 80% of professionals who are related with PMP certification confuse what a PDU is? Therefore, before we express about free PMP PDUs in this post, we will clarify a common misconception about PMP PDUs. What is a PMP PDU? PMP is the abbreviation of Project Management Professional. A PMP certification is awarded by PMI to the professionals who pass the PMP certification exam. There are certain PMP requirements that every PMP candidate must satisfy in order to be able to sit for the PMP certification exam. One of the PMP certification requirements is attending to a 35 contact hours project management education. You can satisfy this requirement by attending a PMP training. However, many PMP aspirants confuse the contact hours with PDUs. That is why many PMP aspirants search for 35 PDU PMP training or free PMP PDU training to satisfy project management education requirement of PMP certification. PDU is the abbreviation of Professional Development Unit. PDU is a term related for PMP renewal. If you have a PMP certification already, you must earn 60 PMP PDUs in each 3 years after you got the PMP certification in order to retain your PMP certification. There are several ways of getting a PMP PDU. You can attend a training, webinars, online PMP PDU course, conference, read a book or author a book, etc. There are many other ways to earn PDUs for renewing the PMP certification. In short, if you are preparing for the PMP certification exam, the PDU is not suitable for you. You must be looking for 35 contact hours of PMP education to satisfy the PMP requirements. Free PDUs for the PMP certification exam. Are you looking for free PMP PDUs to earn and sit for the PMP certification exam? We recommend you to watch the section we described seconds ago, because you do not need PDUs. Instead, you need contact hours of project management education to sit for the PMP exam. In order to be able to sit for the PMP exam, you must have attended a 35 contact hours of project management education. Many PMP aspirants confuse contact hours with PDU, and they search for free PMP PDUs to satisfy the PMP education requirements. If you do not have a PMP certification yet, and if you are planning to sit for the PMP exam, you need to earn 35 contact hours. However, do not worry. We will help you to earn free contact hours to sit for the PMP exam as well. Contact hours and PDU hours are different. PMI has clear guidelines of what they can accept as contact hours. The following screenshot has been taken from a PMP handbook, which is the guide of PMI for the PMP certification exam. As you can see, PMI clearly states that they expect instructional hours in order to satisfy project management education. On the other hand, the PMP PDU requirements for renewing PMP certification is different. What is the difference of free contact hours and free PMP PDUs? For instance, if you are reading a PMP book, PMI does not accept it as a source of 35 contact hours of project management education. However, if you have a PMP certification already, and if you are trying to renew your certification, hours you spent when reading a project management book will count as free PMP PDUs. Contact hours must be instructional, taught by a project management expert or trainer. However, you can earn PDUs by studying yourself. To be honest, it is tough to complete 35 contact hours of project management education with free resources. Even if you do complete it, I'm not sure whether they will be comprehensive enough to make you PMP exam ready. However, you can try to search. We have a free PMP PDU and free contact hours resource as well. You can find the link in the description area of this video. The free PMP training covers the steps of online PMP application in detail. Free PMP PDU for renewing PMP certification. Do you have PMP certification already? Are you looking for PMP PDU resources to earn 60 PDUs? Then you are at the right place. You must earn 60 PMP PDUs in each 3 years, and there are certain conditions of these PDUs. There are 2 main categories for earning a free PMP PDU. 1. Education free PMP PDU category, and 2. Giving back free PMP PDU category. You must earn at least 35 PDUs from the education category, and there must be at least 8 PDUs from each category of the PMI talent triangle, which are technical, strategic, and leadership. While there is a minimum 35 education PDU requirement of PMI, there is not a maximum limit. So you can earn all of your 60 PDUs from the education category. The only thing is, you must satisfy the minimum 8 PDUs from each category of the PMI talent triangle, which are technical, strategic, and leadership. You can earn 4 free PMP PDUs from the education category if you follow the directions below. Free PMP PDU training number 1, 0.5 PDU on the technical category. The first free PMP PDU training is free Lean Six Sigma training. This training will help you to learn the basics of Lean Six Sigma. You will have the knowledge of what Six Sigma is, the Six Sigma approach, the history of Six Sigma, and the famous DMAIC process of Six Sigma. Once you've completed this free PMP PDU training, you can submit 0.5 PDUs for the technical category. You can find the link of this free PMP PDU training in the description area of the video. Free PMP PDU training number 2, 0.5 PDU on the technical category. The second free PMP PDU training is free Prince2 training. Prince2 is a project management methodology initiated in the UK for government projects. However, now it is widely used around the world as one of the most popular project management frameworks. Prince2 is a very critical certification if you're aiming to proceed your project management career in the UK, India, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, and in many countries of Europe. In this free Prince2 training, you will learn the fundamentals of the Prince2 methodology, processes and themes of Prince2, and at the end of the course, you'll be able to submit 0.5 PDU for the technical category. You can find the link of this free PMP PDU training in the description area of the video. Free PMP PDU training number 3, 0.5 PDU in the strategic category. The third free PMP PDU training is the free Agile Scrum training. Since the 2000s, Agile methodology started to be adopted by most of the software development companies in order to welcome fast-changing requirements of projects. There are several frameworks and methodologies under Agile. These are Scrum, test-driven development, pair programming, etc. You will learn the basics of Agile principles, Agile Manifesto, and also the frameworks and methodologies in this free course. You will earn 0.5 PDU for strategic category once you've completed this course. You can find the link of this free PMP PDU training in the description area of the video. Free PMP PDU training number 4, 0.5 PDU in the leadership category. The fourth and the last free PMP PDU training is free ITSM training. IT service management is very important for companies and organizations who are managing IT services. ITIL framework provides the best practices of IT service management. In this free ITIL course, you will learn the fundamentals of IT service management, the ITIL service lifecycle, and processes of each service lifecycle stage. This free PMP PDU training will bring you 0.5 PDU once you complete the course. You can find the link of this free PMP PDU training in the description area of the video. Now let us explore the free PMP PDU podcast. Free PMP PDU podcasts. A podcast, or generically netcast, is an episodic series of digital audio or video files which a user could download and listen to. It is often available for a subscription so that new episodes are automatically downloaded via web syndication to the user's own local computer, mobile application, or portable media player. This is the definition of podcast from Wikipedia. Free PMP PDU podcasts are one of the ways of earning PMP PDU from education category. Actually, YouTube videos are considered as podcasts as well, because they are pre-recorded video sessions focusing on a topic, and you can listen to these videos or playlists from your phone, tablet, or PC. As the Master of Project Academy, we have prepared a free PMP PDU podcast on YouTube as well. You can watch our PMP PDU podcast and earn 2 PDUs on the technical category. You can find the link of this free PMP PDU podcast in the description area of the video. If you are a full-time working professional, it will not be easy to search for free PMP PDU resources and attend them. You will lose time, and you have to attend them in person, and it is not easy. We recommend attending an online PMP PDU course, like our 60 PMP PDU bundle. You can complete the PMP PDU courses at your own pace and in any place. How can you earn free PMP PDUs from the Giving Back category? You can earn free PMP PDU from Giving Back category if you are an active performer of project management profession. For instance, if you are working as a project manager already, or if your job is related to project management, you can submit up to 8 free PMP PDUs from the Giving Back category. The maximum number for free PMP PDUs you can submit from the Giving Back category is 25 PDUs. While there is a maximum limit for Work as Practitioner category, there is no maximum limit for the other categories of the Giving Back category. However, in any case, you cannot exceed the 25 maximum PDU limit from the Giving Back category. You can earn free PMP PDU by 4 alternative ways under the Giving Back category. A. Create content and earn free PMP PDU. If you contribute to the project management world by writing an article, a book, or creating blog posts, you will earn free PMP PDUs as well. Because you enhance the project management knowledge, PMI recognizes it as a source of PMP PDU. B. Give a presentation and earn free PMP PDUs. You can give a presentation in a PMI chapter, in a professional seminar or conference, or even you can give a presentation to your colleagues at your work about project management. These will help you to earn free PMP PDUs as well. C. Share knowledge and earn free PDUs. If you share your project management knowledge and experience with others, sharing your knowledge will help you to earn free PDUs. For instance, you can mentor junior project management professionals, you can teach your colleagues in your organization, or you can act as a subject matter expert on a specific topic. These will count under the Share Knowledge category of the Giving Back category. D. Volunteer and earn free PDUs. PMI has several volunteering activities. If you volunteer in these project management-related chapters, activities, etc., you will earn free PDUs, since you will contribute for extending the project management knowledge. To summarize, if you are searching for a free PDU, there are 2 options. 1. Either you are willing to sit for the PMP exam and try to earn free PDUs to satisfy project management education requirement of the PMP exam, or 2. You already have a PMP certification and are trying to earn free PDUs to renew your PMP certification. For the first case, although you are searching for free PMP PDUs, you actually need contact hours for project management education. Because PMP requirements states that you must have attended 35 contact hours of project management education before you sit for the PMP exam. However, since this is a common misconception, even if you search for free PMP PDUs for project management education, you will find the relevant resources. For the second case, the PDU term is used appropriately, and you are searching for free PMP PDU options to earn 60 PDUs and renew your PMP certification. There are mainly educational PDU options and Giving Back category options for this. You can earn all 60 PDUs you need to retain the PMP certification from the education category, since it doesn't have a maximum limit. You can look for the Giving Back free PDU option as well and complete your CCR cycle. You can visit the description area of this video to find more details about free PDU. I wish you success in your PMP journey.